Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme 15T 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. If you can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. Just press and hold it. And when the Realme logo appears, after 2 to 3 seconds, release it. So you can see now here, select language. Use volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So select language. After it will send you in recovery. Here format data, reboot device and power off is available. So simply select format data. So here you can see guys, please enter verification code for this phone. It is 7787. Enter it 7787, and you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Guys, I would like to inform you all stored data of this device will be deleted. So now tap on format. Wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations, and here you can see data is successfully formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme 15T 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.